Hey folks, how are you enjoying today? I think a lot of packed sessions today. So we'll keep it short, not too much technical, but more talk about Web3 in general and how it's in the consumer space. So I'm Saurav, I'm leading Web3 initiative at Flipkart. I'm a part of a team called Flipkart Labs, where we do a lot of innovation stuff and build more use cases which are relevant for the e-commerce, starting from 3D AR, Web3, and this year we ventured into generative AI as well. So I think I saw that a lot of people know about Flipkart, but I will just talk and give a glimpse, right? Um, what Flipkart and Polygon is, right? So I'm a part of COE. We have ventured into a COE with Polygon this year. Flipkart as one of the India's biggest e-commerce, and we have almost, as you can see, 450 million of users. We have been in the forefront of innovation from starting. Like we have been in the ecosystem for 15 years, and we started COD, no cost EMIs, right? Faster returns. And our CPTO, Jay, always mentioned that innovation is our one of the key pillars when we try to build Flipkart as well. And that's when we realized, okay, Web3 is also building, and in the loyalty space, we saw that a lot of trend going, right? Like from Nike, Starbucks getting into that. So last year, we made an announcement that we started a COE with Polygon, and in that COE, we are venturing into a lot of Web3 e-commerce use cases, which are relevant, and also exploring metaverse as well. And with Polygon, we are future-proofing ourselves because of like all the latest and greatest innovations happening with ZK EVMs and all. So just to talk about, right, what our mission in general at Flipkart COE is. So what we are trying to do is we are onboarding millions of users on on-chain by building products that are very seamless, useful, and build on core tenets of Web3. I think we are the people. I think last year when I was speaking to Ayush Shashank, we were just debating how all the Web3 products in general are made for the 1% of audience. And I always used to say like, where are the consumer apps? So finally, we realized like, if you want to onboard a million billion users to the Web3, it needs to be have an abstraction layer where they don't know exactly with the whole Web3 jargon, but it's made it easier to get onboarded. And a lot of players, like if you talk about Reddit Snoops or Starbucks Odyssey program, they made it possible itself. So we did a lot of these, I would say, pilots last year. We had a first drop of nothing NFTs, where almost 80% of their drops, which were claimed globally, were on Firedrop's platform. We did some metaverse activation as well. We partnered with Layery as well, and you can see the numbers, right? Like 200K NFT mints in just 7 days with the easy click claim, 20,000 plus hours with 72,000 NFT claims. So as you can see, like the Indian audience is ready, but if you have a very complex architecture layer, then it's very hard to deepen into that, right? And this year we ventured into loyalty in general. So when I say, like you heard, Firedrops, so it's very simple. Firedrops is a platform for brands and users to engage with each other. And in that, we incentivize user with a bunch of rewards, and these rewards vary from starting with like currently in beta, like we are focused on more discount, but it will go beyond IRL rewards, exclusive events, and all stuff, right? So what are we trying to solve here, right? Currently Flipkart has been in this space, and in general e-commerce has been in the space for quite some time, right? But there is no platform for brands to engage, right? So currently, if they know they want to target a particular set of audience, they go to influencers and they pay a certain amount, because they know that if they pay that amount, they will be able to acquire very easily those users, right? Secondly, rewards, right? I think a lot of people are using UPI apps or payment apps in general, and you got a ton of rewards which are not useful to you, and those set on your account, which coincidentally gets expired, or even if you are interested in it, or your friend, you can't easily share with that, right? And these rewards are cost center. So one of the research we were doing internally, even we got to know that almost 80% of the rewards are unused, right? And that's a lot. Brands spend crores or crores worth of those rewards, and those got unturned, and that's why they're moving their way into a lot of I would say video commerce or influencer way, because they will be able to acquire user more easily. How we are solving it? So this year we launched Firedrops, we pivoted into a way where it sits in the intersection of Web3 and loyalty. So we have challenges which are very community driven, and we have, like, when I say community driven, it's mean these tasks and all are very on platform, off platform, so varies from add to cart or add to wish list on Flipkart, or maybe liking a product, watching a video. Because when we realize if you give away rewards very easily, through our research we analyze that when a person works towards some reward, they value it more. And from our numbers, I will show you in some time, we like our hypothesis was correct. And these rewards which we give out are very high value. In Flipkart in general, we have a lot of rewards, but these are very high value. When we say high value, it's from free products, free trips to Dubai, or like whatever brand can give it, from high value discount coupons. And the best part is these rewards are minted at NFTs. So if you want to claim it and redeem it, you can do that. But let's say if you don't want to claim it, it's like, okay, it's not usable to me. I just got a phone and I just received the reward for this. You can sell it. So this is the first in the use case in the whole e-commerce business where you are able to trade your rewards. So we have made a reward store. It's a P2P platform where you can buy and sell rewards. What it helps is it just help brands target much better users and get the benefit out of it. And in this way, users are also making money through their unused rewards. So they can sell it and make some money, and even brands cost redemptions are going. So we have made a mathematical model in that way where you don't have to spend a ton of lakhs to acquire a customer. We have brought it to even hundreds or thousands of rupees, right? So just to showcase some numbers, right? So we so it's been 3 months, it's been live. We have 40 plus brands which have launched the challenges, and as you can see, these are all the top brands which have participated in Fire Drops, from Apple to Poco to New Balance, Nike. We have more than 4 million of users. Average completion rate was 95%. We were thinking maybe 40%, 50%, and you can see normally redemption rates are around 5 to 10%, and it has increased the like 25% jump in the average redemption rate as well. And this has helped us increase a lot of GMV through the rewards earned on Firedrop, because in this way you are also selling. You can see the trade volume also, like there is a Dune Analytics dashboard as well, because everything is on chain. You see, like, it's the updated one, 12,000 so far, because it's not, I think it depends on the liquidity as well. So yeah, but so far 2 million plus rewards have been dispersed. Just to show you a glance, right, what Firedrops looks like. You can see these are very, you won't be able to identify, right? There is Web3 associated, everything, right? Whole platform is built on Polygon. Every reward is NFT driven, right? And we're also exploring to have CDK or ZK proofs as well in future. But these are more where you can see, like, once you onboard, you participate in challenge, and all these challenges and tasks are very engagement, right? So if a brand has some, like, they are launching some new product, we can focus on, okay, you watch a video of this new product, or they want a feedback on their product which they have already launched. You can have surveys and quizzes and all those stuff. We're also exploring few more IRL things. So there is a EV brand which we are going live with in few weeks, I would say, where we will do IRL tasks where you need to go to do a test drive, post your photo. So in this way, you are really targeting the super fans. And this is the reward store I was talking. So as you can see, you want some reward and you can list it at your own price. You add your account details. When the listing goes live, anyone can buy it, and all of this gets deposited to your account. Fun fact, this is all crypto payments. We are using on and off ramp payments, where you won't be able to realize, like, people are buying in INR just to make it easier for them. And every transaction at the whole backend is powered by blockchain itself. So this way, we are building a Web3 product which is for consumer and which is for mass consumers, not for the 1% which most of the Web3 dApps has been targeting, because in this way, we are able to reach a much wider audience, and we are tapping the whole Web3 ecosystem in a way where we can see in future billions of users getting onboarded. We are doing a lot more in the next year. There's a crossword. You can tag me and Firedrops to find out. So a lot of those words I talked about in my slide, So you can see what's next. I think Firedrops next year is venturing into a lot of these amazing stuff, I would say, and lot of cutting edge technologies. So do take a photo and just mark whatever the 10 upcoming features gonna be on Firedrops, and yeah, tag me and let me know. Cool. That's my time. Thanks everyone. Thanks for listening. Thanks a lot.